Hello! In front of me I have ASUS VivoWatch BP, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding the button until the ASUS logo appears on the screen. After the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the ASUS HealthConnect application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search. Tap on the search bar, type in ASUS HealthConnect and tap on search. You should see this application, ASUS HealthConnect. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. Let me confirm by entering the password. Okay, and now the app is downloading. And let's wait until it's done. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. And then after the application opens, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. You can allow them or deny them. For example, the location permission. If you want to use features like tracking your cycling routes or stuff like that, you probably need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next, we have the Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so tap on OK. And then we have the notification permission. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you can, or rather you will need to select the region. So scroll through the list, find the region you want to use, and tap on it to select it. Then tap on OK to confirm. Then tap on Get Started. Select Start pairing your ASUS VivoWatch, then tap Next. Check the box, tap on Next. And here we can log in into ASUS account or just skip it if you want to. If you want to keep the data you will gather in the process of using the watch, it's recommended to make an account. But if you don't care about the data, you can just simply skip the registration and use this app without making an account. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna tap on Skip, tap Next. Select the VivoWatch BP, then tap Next. The app should detect your watch, as you can see, and once it detects it, tap on Pairing. Enter the code from the watch. Tap on Pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. And here we can again make an account if you want. You can sign in. I'm just gonna tap on Close. Then we can remind or rather calibrate our watch. So if you have devices that allow you to measure some health stats, like maybe blood pressure and stuff like that, you can use them to calibrate your watch. I don't have access to these kinds of devices for now, so I'm just gonna tap on Remind Me Later, but you can tap on Start and simply follow the instructions and calibrate your watch to give you the best or most accurate results it can. I'm just gonna tap on Remind Me Later, and then I'm gonna tap on Device, and here you should see your VivoWatch BP. And at this point, the watch is paired with your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.